In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set permissions in Google Sheets. This is a crucial skill for collaboration, ensuring everyone on your team can access the right information while maintaining control over your data. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your browser. If you're using Google Chrome, look to the top right corner of your screen. You will see the Google Apps icon, represented by a grid of dots. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Google Sheets. This step is important because it takes you directly to the application where you will manage your permissions. Once you click it, a new page will load, displaying your Google Sheets dashboard. Here you can find your existing sheets or create a new one. Next up, open your sheet. You will see a list of spreadsheets that you have created or have access to. Locate the specific sheet for which you want to set permissions. Click on it to open it up. This allows you to view and edit the content where you will make permission changes. Once the sheet is open, you can see all the data and any existing comments or formats that are already in place. Now look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see a button labeled Share. Click on this button. This action opens up a new window that allows you to manage sharing settings. Sharing your sheet is essential because it opens the door for collaboration. You will be able to control who can view or edit the sheet, which is vital for maintaining the integrity of your data. From there, you will need to add people or groups by typing their email addresses into the text box. This is straightforward. Just enter the email of the person you want to share with. You can add multiple emails separated by commas if you wish to share with more than one person. This step is significant as it defines who will have access to your sheet. You want to ensure that you invite the right individuals or groups to collaborate effectively. After entering the email addresses, the next step is to assign a role using the drop-down menu next to their email. This menu gives you three options: viewer, commenter, and editor. Each role has its own level of access. Understanding these roles is crucial because it helps you maintain control over your document while allowing others to contribute. A viewer can only read the sheet, which means they cannot make any changes. A commenter can view and leave comments, enabling them to provide feedback without altering the content. Lastly, an editor can change data, formulas, and formatting, making them fully involved in the sheet's operation. Now that you have assigned roles, click the Send button to apply the changes and notify the users. This action sends an email invitation to the individuals you have added, informing them about their new access. This is important because it ensures your changes are communicated clearly and promptly. You will see a confirmation message appear, reassuring you that everything is set up correctly. By completing these steps, you have successfully set permissions in Google Sheets. This process is essential for effective collaboration and maintaining control of your data. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.